Now create your stunning website in 5 minutes with Canva. Open Canva and go to the website section. Go to the design and select the design as per your needs. Suppose I need to create my website for my restaurant, so I can search for any related word and see how easy it is. Canva show me many designs. I selected one design. Now I just drag and drop to the blank page.
We can add sections too.
We can add pages that are already designed for the website. All you need is just drag and drop.
It's too easy, right? We created our web pages in just 1 minute. We can search for the thanks page if needed.
You have many options to edit your slide, like can create a duplicate page, copy style, can delete it, or can resize it. Anything is possible with Canva.
Edit animations with your text or slide.
You can set your slides in any order.
Time to present it?
You can view your website in laptop screen or in mobile screen and check it out at how it looks like in both the views.
Don't like the background color? Let's change it.
Even can change your text color. Canva gives you freedom to do anything with your design.
You can analyze your website, like how many visitors came throughout, and check everything in detail.
Share your design through Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter.
Publish your website.
You can share a link that gives access to the person you want to share to edit your design.
Want to download?